Oh my gosh.
He's got his boots on too. I'm commending our Amish, man.
There you go.
Here, so I'm jumping in Florida.
Run.
Oh my Lord.
I never imagined him doing that.
Billy, can you believe this?
No.
Lord help us. Sue! Yeah, Sue! Sue! What are we gonna do?
Oh my gosh.
What are we gonna do?
Do you have the antibiotics still in hand?
You better have it ready for them. Oh my gosh.
I think I'd leave my shoes on.
Oh, I'd leave my shoes on. All right, let's wait for everybody. Let's Sue. It is so hot today that.
I got all these young guys over there. Old guys.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot today. The guys are all going to jump in the pond. Here's the pond right here beside the forest. It's so cute, so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's super hot. They need to cool off. Come on guys, there's more coming. Woo! Chuck, jump in there. Come on Dave. Let's go, jump in. Randy, make Dave jump in. Dave.
Come on, Dave. Get over here, Mr. Jones. Slide in.
Chuck, jump in this pond. Jump in there. Wait a minute, I gotta get a picture of everybody.
Get over here.
I want to, but I can't swim.
Now wait a second, I gotta get a picture of everybody.
We'll go. Incredible tiny homes. Jump in. Out there. You count, Amanda.
You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Go, tiny homes.
Woo! Yeah! Oh! Woo!
That don't feel good. That is beautiful.
Yeah! There you go.
See how deep it is.
Oh, it's deep. I went all the way to the boat. Yeah, here comes the fun part is watching everybody try.
Everybody get out, yeah.
Because this is nothing but mud.
Like a seal.
Oh my gosh.
Picture of taking a picture.
That feel good? Woo! Good job, guys. Do it again.
Well, it's not work yet.
Deliverance on it.